Hello, good people of Ghana. I'm Fafali Elikem Gidisu.
And I'm Salia Hikmatsunuma.
Both prospective Form 3 students of the prestigious Wedro Secondary School. A school whose mission is to provide quality secondary education through effective teaching and conducive learning environments to produce empowered and responsible citizens.
Today is just day 5 of 4 months reporting, and we have been able to fish out some real talent. And here with me is a 2-day-old promising Form 1 girl who can... Okay, let me just keep that for her to say.
Because she has a lot to...
Seriously. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, so can you tell us more about yourself? Where you stay, what's your name, your parents, your siblings, your family, something small about yourself.
Okay, I am Arthur Christopher Nana Joba. I'm 14 years of age, born on 18 May 2009. I'm the eldest sibling among 4. I live with both parents, Mr. Emmanuel Kwesi Arthur, and then Madam Vida Ama Arthur.
So among your 4 siblings, what makes you so special?
Because I'm the eldest, I take responsibility of everything that goes on at home. I'm always there when my parents are not. I do first things first. That's what makes me special.
Okay. So where are you from?
My hometown, to be precise, I'm from Bremen, Kokoso. Bremen is Command District.
And where do you stay?
I stay at Kasua Millennium City Sector 5.
Okay, so during your leisure time, what do you enjoy doing the most?
I love reading. And then...
So are you saying you can read more than me?
I won't put it that way.
Okay, so
I just love what I do.
Tell me, how many books have you read so far, so I'll compare?
I read novels, some of which I did in a very short time. Yeah. Some I did in a very short time. Yeah.
So are you telling me you can read a book like this in a short time? Because I do.
Depending.
Hey, Charlie. You are showing me levels.
She's trying to make me feel bad, but I'll not mind.
Oh, okay.
I love books by prolific writers. Peggy Opon, to be precise. I love reading her books. The Black Hill. Yeah.
So far, what's your favorite book? I think mine is Hellbound with You.
And mine is Changes by Amata Edu.
What about you?
The Grief Child by Lawrence Dramani.
Oh, Lawrence Dramani. Hey, the couple you read this week, I forgot it. Was it Desert Rose?
Something like that too, I forgot it.
But with The Grief Child, I have a very similar experience. What life has shown at me, there are personal matters I wouldn't like to discuss. Life has shown a lot at me, and me finding my way here is something I like people to know, that God's ways are undescribable. See, the main character of the story, Edu, the young boy who lost his parents due to some natural disasters, found his way in life. He learned to forgive those who have wronged him. He learned to embrace the reality. He learned to welcome people into his life, as I am doing right now.
You mentioned something. That's how you got your way here. How? I want to know.
Yeah.
How did you get here?
When it was time for the school selection, I went with my mom. We did the selection very, very well. I was very confident in my choices.
So, what did you depend on for your selection? Maybe your course, your future ambition. What did you depend on to choose the schools?
The schools,
why?
I wanted to choose schools with
big names.
Yeah, of course.
So what was your first choice?
Achimota School in Accra.
Yeah, why Achimota?
The moment the name is mentioned, look at the name, Accra, it will tell you that there are big people coming there. That there were Mills,
so why are you so interested in the big people?
You see, when they have a very solid background, like the school Achimota, because it's a very solid background, the scholarships and then the sponsorships are flowing. So if you find yourself there and then they discover your talent or you avail yourself, you'll be moving forward.
What are you interested in? Why do you go to school in the first place?
Why did I go to school?
Like why are you choosing to school?
Yeah.
I mean, you could have gone for a trade, but I think you chose to school. Why?
Well, there is something I want to, as I said earlier, first things first, there is something I want to do and I'm not giving up for anything. So if I have to do that thing, I have to do another thing first.
Okay, what's that thing?
I am a very sympathetic person. From I'm just 14 years, but I know what I've seen. So far, I've seen young kids who unluckily have deformities and they are being treated as nothing. So in my perspective, I want people to know that we share the same bread. So why don't we share the same dress, share the same food? Even the medications they deserve, they are not given.
Okay, so growing up, what was your ambition?
Seriously speaking, seriously speaking, I completed Form 2 without knowing what I wanted to become. It was either I even said I'm going to be a Navy, a Navy officer. Yeah, I was either police, a doctor, a surgeon, like anything that popped up in my mind.
It's actually normal because growing up, I wanted to be a soldier. Could you imagine?
But when I got to Form 2, when I went to Form 2, I had to choose what I wanted to do. And I said, helping these people will need enough funds, very sufficient funds. So how do I get them? They won't give funds. Somebody wants to give funds to somebody who has not gone that far in education. So I want to pursue right defensive law and then fight for them.
So here, what course do you think would help you?
Well, I've booked a space at General Arts. My subject combinations are government, economics, French and literature.
Wow.
Oh, okay, nice. 2 languages. What inspired you to do literature and English and French? Is it that you want to be a multilingual person?
Of course, being a multilingual person has so many opportunities you can think of. Just be at home, somebody asks you to do some interpretation and then you get your mind. So simple. And then also, being a multilingual person, it talks more about you.
Oh yeah. Okay, so
yeah, and also please not to forget, Ghana is a West African country, and we are both bounded with francophone countries as well. We have like 9 francophone countries in only West Africa. So learning French will be something beneficial to my career.
Oh, okay, that's actually nice.
Well, so you see, you wanted at Chimota. And what was your second choice?
Agri Memorial.
Hey, so where did you place your school?
Sesco is my third choice.
Okay.
Yeah, I love the school, but it wasn't what I was expecting.
You were okay. Swesco wasn't
expecting to get Swesco.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So now that you find yourself here, why? You weren't expecting to get Swesco, so I'm not sure you'll be happy coming here. So why are you here?
You see, we don't judge books by their covers.
Okay.
The first thing that caught me was the serenity and the discipline. I'm a Franco Bauhaus one, and then I can tell that the discipline has found roots in me. So I'm just 2 days old, and then
I'm sorry. If you had gotten house 3, you know how interesting.
Oh, hello, my sister. House 1 is the best house.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you, did you get any recommendations? Did you go online to search about Swesco? Because you're like, don't judge a book by its cover. So I mean, it seems you saw something about Swesco before coming here.
Of course, the Swesco agenda was what called me. Okay. You see, the teachers had paved way for young students to do what they can do best. Like, as you can see, anchoring, presenting, those stuff. That's what I like doing. When I find myself in front of a mirror, that's what I do. I just behave as if the mirror is my audience, and then I'm delivering.
Okay, that's nice.
What else? Maybe.
And then the awards. This school is a very noble school, a very noble one. The recent one I saw on Facebook was the STEM Innovation Award. 2 young beautiful ladies got those awards. I'm sure you were one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations. It was what inspired me because they were giving you the opportunity to do what you wanted to do.
So it has been nice talking to you, and I like how outspoken you are. I've learned a lot from you today. Yes. So if you have anyone in Form 3 JHSD right now, what would you like to tell the person to select Swesco as your first choice, or do you have anything to tell the people out there?
Okay, don't change anything with what you want to do. If I had gone to a different school to offer a different course, I wouldn't find myself doing what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
So if the things, if you are giving the list. Opportunity knocks but once, and then when it knocks, calling answers, doing answers. Yes. So if you are given a school, no matter how the school is, go to the school. Make it there. Leave your name there.
Okay, so before we end, what difference will you add to the school? Will you make in the school?
Pacey Christopher.
Yes, supposing very soon or sooner or later I'll be completing the senior high school 3, and I would like to do something very important before I go. I would like, as few as my senior high school days are, I would like to go on debates, quizzes. Just do what I love doing, and then make my school proud of me.
Okay, so and this was a short interview with one promising Form 1 student on Swiss School Agenda with me, Fafali Elikem Gibisu, and I did this one.
Salia Hikmatson. Thank you.